পিছনটা দেখাও, পিছনটা। Hey guys, this is my iPhone 14 Pro accessories. This is the case, which is from the company, you can see, Hovzlts magnetic. I bought it from Amazon and I'm going to unbox it now. Let's see how does it feel. And this is the case. There is an instruction and a small paper. Remove it. Yeah, overall it looks very premium. The buttons feels like a metal button, but I believe they are all plastic. But overall it looks very nice, feels very premium. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, yeah, I also have some, this is a cloth and a screen protector here. Oh, I didn't know there is a screen protector. That's nice. I don't think it was written there. There is a screen protector coming. But overall, yeah, that's nice. That's very good. Thank you guys. This is the all unboxing video. Have a good day. Bye.